Dear friends, today I'm going to show you how to use one of the newest features on gracecommunity.world. Activate Downline. The first thing you need to do is log into the gracecommunity.world website. Then go to the menu on the left and click on Wallet. Once inside Wallet, look for the tab Activate Downline and click on it. A menu will appear with the options Levels, Users, and Activation. First, click on Level. Here you will see the different depth levels of your organization. Next, click on Users. Search for the email of the member you want to activate, and then select the type of activation you wish to apply. To use this function, you must have sufficient balance in your commission's wallet. In the Activate section, choose one of the three available options: the $9 monthly fee, the Ambassador 1 or the Ambassador 2 option. In this case, we are going to activate a member of my organization with the $9 monthly fee. Click on that option, then click Activate, and then click Confirm. You will receive a 6-digit code in your email. Enter it in the window that appears on the page, and you're done. You will see that the amount has been debited from your wallet balance. If you want to check the transaction, you can verify it in the Ledger tab under the description Wallet Purchase.